just did something nobody saw coming. They reached back into history, pulled out a name the world hadn't heard in decades, and turned it into the most talked-about compact pickup truck of 2026. The Stout is back, and this time, it's wearing blue. Yes, you heard that right. The Stout, a nameplate that originally roamed the streets in the 1950s and dominated workhorse culture through the 1980s, has been resurrected. And didn't just bring it back quietly. They dropped it on the world like a thunderbolt. In a market absolutely flooded with oversized trucks, looked at everything, the Maverick, the Ranger, and said, we can do better, we can do smarter, we can do it with style, soul, and technology that nobody in this class has even dreamed of yet. But here's what makes the 2026 Stout genuinely different. It's not just a truck, it's not just an EV, it's not just a lifestyle vehicle. It's all three of those things at once, wrapped in a shade of blue so striking that the internet literally broke the day the first images dropped. So who is this truck for? The weekend adventurer who also drives to a boardroom on Monday. The person who doesn't want to sacrifice practicality for personality. The person who looked at every compact truck on the market and thought, none of these feel like me. Heard you, and the Stout Blue is their answer. Let's talk about how this thing looks, because from the very first second you see it, you understand why it caused such a reaction. The front of the Stout is nothing short of commanding. Gave it a wide, bold fascia with a geometric grille that bridges the gap between rugged capability and refined aggression. It doesn't scream work truck. It whispers power with absolute confidence. Flanking that grille are ultra-slim LED headlights that stretch across the face of the truck like a predator's eyes, sharp, precise, and unmistakably modern. Running through the front is a light bar DRL, a single illuminated strip that connects both headlight clusters and gives the Stout a face you can recognize from a mile away at night. Has clearly been paying attention to what makes a truck iconic, and this front end delivers. Move to the side and you'll find a profile that's both athletic and purposeful. The wheel arches are wide and flared, giving the truck a planted, muscular stance. The roofline flows cleanly from the cab into the bed, no awkward transitions, no wasted space. It's aerodynamically considered without losing an ounce of toughness. The wheels, and these deserve a moment of appreciation, are wrapped in aggressive all-terrain rubber, mounted on multi-spoke machined alloys that sit flush with those flared arches. They look ready for a mountain trail, and a valet parking lot equally. And then there's the Stout Blue, a deep, electrifying metallic shade that shifts from ocean midnight to Arctic sky depending on how the light hits it. Didn't pick a safe, they picked a statement. Pair that with black trim accents along the lower body, and you have a truck that looks like it was designed by someone who also designs fighter jets. The rear is clean and assertive. A wide tailgate carries the logo prominently, flanked by LED taillights that echo the sharp geometry of the front. Integrated steps, smart tailgate assist, and a bed liner from the factory. This is a truck that respects your time and your cargo. Now close the door, because the inside of the Stout is where made a decision that competitors are going to be scrambling to match for years. The moment you sit down, you're looking at a fully digital cockpit. The instrument cluster and infotainment screen are merged into one sweeping 14-inch display that curves gently toward the driver. It's not just big, it's intelligent. Built on its next-generation operating system, it learns your preferences, anticipates your routes, and integrates seamlessly with both Apple CarPlay and Android Auto wirelessly. But went further than that. The Stout features an embedded AI co-pilot system. Think of it as a digital navigator that does more than give directions. It monitors your driving patterns, suggests optimal routes based on real-time traffic and terrain data, and even adjusts the truck's driving modes automatically based on the road surface it detects beneath you. Ambient lighting runs through the cabin in a thin ribbon of customizable, you choose the mood, cool white for focus, warm amber for a relaxed evening cruise, electric blue to match the exterior when you want everything to feel cohesive and cinematic. Materials inside are premium without being pretentious. Soft touch surfaces, contrast stitching, and brushed metallic accents create an interior that feels more like a luxury crossover than a truck cab. The seats are wider than you'd expect, properly bolstered, and available in a ventilated configuration for warmer climates. Overhead, and this is the detail that keeps going viral on social media, is a panoramic glass roof that extends from the windshield almost to the rear of the cab. It's electronically UV protective, and when you're parked under the stars on a trail somewhere remote, it transforms the cabin into something that feels genuinely magical. Now the heart of the machine has equipped the 2026 Stout with a hybrid, specifically a 2.4 turbocharged four-cylinder paired with an electric motor integrated into the drivetrain. Combined output sits at approximately 326 horsepower and over 400 pound-feet of torque. For a compact truck, those numbers don't just impress, they intimidate. 0 to 60 is claiming somewhere in the low 5-second range. That's quicker than a lot of sports cars from just 10 years ago in a truck. The raw performance is only half the story. Engineered the Stout with a multi-terrain management system that gives the driver complete control over how power is delivered, whether you're on gravel, sand, mud, rock, or wet tarmac. The electric motor provides instant torque exactly when you need it most, that split second when the front wheels are climbing a ledge or the rear is searching for grip on a slick surface. Fuel economy, and this is where the hybrid system earns its keep, is projected at around 38 to 42 miles per gallon in combined driving. In a truck producing over 300 horsepower, that's not just efficient, that's a revolution in what a compact truck can be. There's also a purely electric drive mode for short-distance urban commuting. Low speed, zero emissions, near silent. Perfect for navigating city streets early in the morning before the world wakes up. Safety Sense Suite on the Stout is one of the most comprehensive packages available in its segment. You get pre-collision warning with automatic emergency braking, lane departure alert with active steering correction, radar-based adaptive cruise control, and automatic high beam control, all standard, not optional extras. There's a 360-degree surround view camera system with overhead and trailer view modes, making parking a compact truck with a long bed genuinely effortless. Smart Parking Assist with automated steering takes the stress out of tight spaces entirely. The Stout also features trailer sway control, hill descent control, an integrated dashcam with cloud storage connectivity, and vehicle-to-load power outlets in the bed, so you can run power tools, charge devices, or even power a campsite directly from the truck. Over-the-air software updates mean the Stout gets smarter over time, like a Tesla, but with its legendary build quality behind it. Here's where the conversation gets interesting. The Ford Maverick is clever and affordable, but it doesn't have the presence, the power, or the technology to stand in the same room as the Stout. It is practical to its core, but uninspiring in every way that matters to enthusiasts. It tried to blend car and truck, but never fully committed to either identity. And then there's its own lineup, the legendary for durability. The Tacoma, still dominant in its segment. But the Stout doesn't compete with these trucks. It exists above them. It's the premium, electrified, design-forward expression of what believes the compact truck needs to become. Compare it to the Tesla and you're comparing philosophy. It is polarizing, aggressive, and built for spectacle. The Stout is refined, purposeful, and built for people who want to be noticed without demanding attention. This is playing chess while others play checkers. Pricing for the 2026 Stout is expected to start at around $38,000 for the base hybrid trim, climbing to approximately $52,000 for the fully loaded premium configuration with all-wheel drive, the panoramic roof, and the advanced AI systems. For context, that puts it in genuinely compelling territory. More expensive than a Maverick, yes, but hundreds of miles ahead of it in every category that matters. Is expected to launch the Stout in North America during the second half of 2026, with global markets to follow in early 2027. Pre-registration lists are already filling up faster than anyone anticipated. If you were thinking about waiting, stop thinking. The 2026 Stout Blue isn't just a truck, it's a statement. It's a piece of automotive history being written in real time. Took a name that meant something. They gave it new bones, new technology, new ambition, and wrapped it in a that's impossible to ignore. Whether you're hauling gear up a mountain trail or pulling up to a rooftop restaurant in the city, this truck does not for existing. So we have to ask you, would you choose the Stout Blue over the Tacoma? Could this genuinely take sales from Ford and in the compact segment? And is playing the long game here with electrification and AI, making a vehicle that gets better every single year you own it? Drop your answer in the comments right now. We read every single one. If this video got your pulse up even slightly, hit that like button, subscribe to Next Gen Motors, and turn on notifications because the automotive world is moving fast and we are right there at the front. The Stout is back, and the truck world will never be quite the same again.